Vivitos, Vivitos.
Vivitos, positively towards success.
Welcome all to our Vivitos Health Awareness Program. This program is about a recent outbreak of very important disease which has spread across the world and is been declared as pandemic by our World Health Organization. Is what is I'm going to talk about in another few minutes. This novel coronaviral infection or COVID-19 infection. What are the symptoms? What it can do to our humankind? How to get rid of it? How to save life? Save our friends and relatives across the globe is what I am going to discuss with you now. Here, what is coronavirus or novel coronavirus? This coronavirus has been around this world for a few hundred years. Is it shocking for you? Yeah, really. Coronavirus has been around for us human beings and for other animals also. Mostly the other animals and reptiles which has been affected by coronavirus or any other viral infection does not infect we human beings and vice versa. But here recently there are few mammals which had infection, novel coronaviral infection, and relevant strains like bats and other mammals which had this viral infection somehow through various maybe food chain or various reasons. The contamination, the infection has spread to other animals and through them it has reached the human beings. This has happened again and again in past few decades, many decades in this world. About 18 years back in 2002, we had SARS infection, severe acute respiratory syndrome, distress syndrome, which occurred and made us all panic that every human being might be dead because of that infection. But luckily, after it has spread has come down, the infection has come down and it stopped spreading further by itself. It became a self-limiting disease because of big awareness, health awareness. Next it came the MERS, Middle East acute respiratory distress syndrome, and this was even further more dangerous, more fatal than SARS, and that happened in 2012, and it went away with leaving only very few thousands of lives at stake. And next came the Ebola virus infection, which had a very threatening fatality rate that it killed more than about 35 to 40% of people it infected. But somehow it got restricted and controlled, and we human beings were saved against these infections. Now, in 2019 December, starting from last year end, our neighbor Chinese people had contracted somehow this novel coronavirus or COVID-19. Then onwards, this viral infection in human beings has not turned back. It is spreading across the country horizontally as well as vertically in so fast manner. It has reached almost more than half the countries in this world already within about 3 months' time. Particularly countries which are located in the temperate region, which are cold countries, has suffered the most. Consider Italy, European countries, Korea, Japan, China, America, Singapore. Colder are the places or the countries where this infection has most spread. And recently, from February 2020, we have even identified novel coronaviral infection among Indians also. And it is spreading very fast than we can think, equally faster to the speed of spreading in the social media. But still, it is our responsibility as a Vivitosians, being a healthcare supporters, it is our responsibility responsibility of each and every one of you to take care of fellow human beings across the globe, to save life and to improve the quality of life of each and every human beings across the world. I am here to explain you about the virus, about the symptoms, about how to prevent it, how to get rid of it. So another few minutes I will be explaining you these aspects. To start with, what are the symptoms? Already by this time, even the government had taken the initiative by having the caller tune or through mobile, it has spread the message of prevention. But still, there are many grey areas where a common man may not be able to understand few things, which I am going to explain you. This COVID-19 or novel coronavirus infection is a type of respiratory tract infection, but can spread across the whole body and can cause the damage till about death. But before that, there are plenty of symptoms which we can easily identify. What are the symptoms? Symptoms are categorized into two ways. One, the whole body as a whole, systemic symptoms. Second, respiratory symptoms. I will start with systemic symptoms. Once a person has been infected with novel coronavirus, he will have a incubation period or hibernating period of about 2 to 10 days time, depending on his immunity, various health status. Commonly, starting from 2 to 5 days after the prodromal period, the symptoms starts. It starts as mild fever in the systemic symptoms, and the person will start having body pain, general aches and pains, muscle pain, fever, headache, symptoms relevant to same as flu viral infection or H1N1 or relevant viral infections. Respiratory symptoms include running nose, throat dryness, throat pain while swallowing, and you will start bringing out phlegm. With usually any viral infection will have a secondary bacterial infection within few days time because of the erosion of the mucosa in the throat, inside the throat or in the buccal cavity or in the nasal cavity. What happens? This novel coronavirus has very much attraction towards the lung epithelial cells. It not only starts here and it spreads via the trachea or the breathing tube, it goes into the lungs and it starts replicating in the lung epithelial cells faster than we think. Each virus, when enters the epithelial cells in the lungs, it duplicates very faster, utilizes the epithelial cells to secrete the liquid, and through the liquid, which is the mucosa or the secretions from the lungs and the respiratory tract, this virus spreads out through sneezing and coughing, and through the droplets whichever we are going to throw out from our nose or from the mouth. The respiratory symptoms of running nose, throat pain, throat irritation, throat dryness, phlegm and cough and sneezing are all very important. So don't panic, don't be afraid. Novel coronavirus infection to be taken care earlier to reduce the chance of mortality or death. And we Indians live in a tropical climate where our temperature is a bit on the higher side than on the temperate climate people. So we need to be aware, health conscious, we need to be educated adequately to make sure to prevent the disease from spreading further. Very important thing is that we all know there is no cure for novel coronavirus as of now. There is no specific medicine available that can cure novel coronavirus yet. There is no vaccine available or manufactured yet to control or prevent novel coronavirus from the human beings. So taking this into consideration, taking the symptoms, systemic symptoms and the respiratory symptoms, it progresses next. Once the lungs which are like a sponge because of this virus attraction towards the lung epithelial cells. The spongy nature of the lungs changes to the rubbery consistency, and this makes our lungs not to transfer carbon dioxide outside and take in the oxygen to take it into our other organs. This makes our system to suffer deficiency of oxygen as well as other nutrients which are related to the oxygen levels in our system. It initiates a cascade of events that makes our body to undergo a multi-organ failure and ultimately to death within about next 2 to 3 weeks time, unless we have been access to a proper healthcare facility. So be very cautious. Once you see a person who is having these symptoms, either it can be a respiratory symptoms or it can be a systemic symptoms, immediately approach a medical facility. Apart from that, how we can manage? There are few things which can be prevented than cured, among which novel coronavirus stands first. Prevention is better than cure with novel coronavirus or COVID-19. So starting with the following actions among our human beings, among our fellow friends. You being already aware about your health conscious person, being a Vivitosian, so start spreading the message of what I am going to say to your family members, to your friends and all the people around the world to make sure prevent novel coronaviral infection for any human being across the globe. First thing first, avoid physical contact. We as a South India or in India are familiar with Namaste, Namaskar and Vanakkam. So this is one of the most powerful, most safe action when we meet a person, meet a friend or a family member after a long time. Whereas Westerners try to have a handshake or a hug and a kiss. But here the novel coronavirus infection can be prevented if we are at least 3 feet away from any other person. And Namaskar will help us to prevent novel coronavirus infection spread is the first preventive method. Second, it's very common that we go outside even for our children. They go to school, college or any other places. Let us have a family member who is going to office or any other grocery store or a departmental store or a mall and bus and very many places we need to access outer world for our day-to-day daily activities. When we go outside, there is a chance that anyone can have a coronavirus infection and it can easily spread to us. And most common places are the handlebars, knob, doorknob, even toilet or any other place, common places where there is a chance the novel coronavirus can have struck there and it can reach our hands. And from our hands, it's easy to reach our eyes or nose or mouth, and because we are regularly habituated, most people are regularly habituated to touch our eyes, nose or mouth easily or casually. So whenever you go outside to an office or any place and come back, try to have your hands clean with a normal soap bar, soap liquid. Wash your hands thoroughly in a running water at least for 30 seconds. This is what has been advised to make sure there is no infection. You have taken it, contracted and taken it to your system. So wash your hands thoroughly on your palmar side, on your dorsal side, in between your fingers, between your nails. Try to have clean nails also. Make sure nails you clean it every often to make sure there is no source of coronavirus for your system. Hand wash is the second best preventive method. And third, very important, how it spreads. The novel coronavirus or COVID-19 spreads via droplet infection commonly through sneezing, through coughing, when a person is nearby you within about 10 feet distance, ideally 3 feet distance, it's very easy to get contracted. So whenever you go outside in a place where it is crowded, try to cover your face with a simple cloth, tissue paper or a handkerchief, or if you are capable to buy a mask, well and good, keep a mask in your hand, but be very sure mask does not prevent you 100% from the infection. It does helps to prevent the spread of infection to yourself, but still the percentage is very less. Third one is to protect yourself with the tissue paper, handkerchief, clean handkerchief, or with the mask. And fourth and very important is that educate yourself, educate your family members and your children and the relatives and friends around you not to take their hands to touch your eyes, nose or mouth or any mucosal cavity through their hands. This is very common, very easy mode of spread for novel coronavirus or any viral infection, and that will help us to prevent the disease getting spread to us. Even in spite it has been contracted in our hands, it will not spread there. Whenever we are going to have a hand wash, it is going to go off. So these are the best practicing methods to make sure the viral infection does not contract us. We have bought in a new preventive healthcare product, health supplement, to make sure to save lives, not as a treatment but as a preventive measure. The product is Vivitose Dr. Chella's Viren, V-I-R-U-N. Viren helps along with other preventive measures to make sure to save life and to make sure we doesn't get bad with even with viral infections. Not only coronavirus infection but other respiratory tract and other viral infections. So let us go forward to know about this Viren. Say particularly I told you about respiratory symptoms and the systemic symptoms, and we have bought in this product Dr. Chella's Viren to make sure it takes care of each and every symptoms. Starting from running nose, Viren helps to reduce the running nose and thereby indirectly helps to prevent spreading of infection, and it helps to improve the mucosal recovery. Mucosal, say once it is eroded, it has to recover. So the ingredients in Viren, which are all purely herbal and which has been used for hundreds and hundreds of years in our country, and these all are time tested ingredients to make sure it takes care of the mucosal recovery faster, to make sure there is prevention of spread of infection to others. Third, the novel coronavirus causes body pain, fever, and it releases histamine. It actually induces our system to secrete histamines that causes these symptoms. The ingredients in Viren helps to reduce this histamine release, thereby reducing the incidence of cough or sneezing, and thereby indirectly helps to prevent spreading of infection, as well as very importantly this Viren, the ingredients in the Viren helps to improve the immunity, helps the system to act faster and strongly against any viral infection, to make sure it doesn't spread in our system. And there are ingredients which can to some extent control spread of viral infection inside our system. Further, it helps to bring out the phlegm like an expectorant. It brings out the phlegm so that there is no blockage in our respiratory tract and there is no deficiency of oxygen and carbon dioxide transfer happening in our lungs, thereby saving lives, improving the quality of life also in infected persons. Spread the message of Viren, spread the message of how to prevent whichever I have told you across the globe. Jai Vivitos, Jai Hind.
Vivitos, Vivitos.
Vivitos, positively towards success.